Hey, it's Vikki. I'm here because I genuinely care about you. If you've never felt like anyone cares, know that I do. You need to quit smoking, and it will be the best decision you've ever made. Forget the money for a moment. It's about your health. You deserve the best in life, and if no one has ever told you this, hear it from me. You are the best, and you deserve to be happy. Smoking is not making you happy. Quitting smoking will bring you the happiness you deserve. You are the star of your life. Make it happen now. Gather all your cigarettes, lighters, papers, and filters. Give them away because you are now a non-smoker. Just remember, I love you. If you've never had a parent tell you they love you, hear it from me. I love you, and I believe in you. You can do this. See you in the next video. Love, like, share, whatever you need to do. If this helps even one person, it's worth it. You've got this. Every step you take is a step towards a healthier, happier you.